Hey guys, this is Jeff Soulier. Today we're going to be talking about your maintenance for your hand stone. A lot of different hand stones out there. Yours might look a little bit different than this one, but as far as the maintenance goes, it's all pretty generic. So first thing goes, as far as daily maintenance goes, you're going to want to check your sponge. So on our unit that we have here, the sponge is actually down here in the grates. So again, we're looking for any chunks missing. We're looking for the sponge missing altogether. In our sustainable labs, most of yours have a water tank here on the top, and then there's a sponge right below it. You can actually see it here in the picture. So that's what your unit would look like. Again, our unit's a little bit different, but again, main things you're looking for is pieces missing out of the sponge. For the sponge to just be missing altogether. So pretty easy. As far as closing goes, again, we're just going to clean off our area. So we're going to vacuum it if there's any lens swarf or debris. And again, we're just going to make sure our unit's clean and ready to go for the next day. The next piece of maintenance that we're going to talk about is as needed. So for as needed, obviously we've already talked about the sponge. So sooner or later we will have to replace the sponge. So if your sponge goes bad, you're simply going to pull that sponge out and insert a new one depending on what unit you're using. And then the main one that I can show you today is dressing your wheel. So in order to dress your wheel, you're going to want to use a honing stick. A honing stick is like a stone. Again, they sell them. You guys should have one in your lab. Basically, this is going to take any nicks and burrs out of the wheel to allow it to give you a nice smooth finish. So in order to dress a wheel, you'll go ahead and you're going to turn on your unit. And then you're going to take your honing stick and you're going to lightly go back and forth on your wheel. As you go over any nicks and burrs, you might actually hear them. This one over here sounds pretty good. We'll jump over, we'll do this one. And this one, it seems like it had a few nicks and burrs because I can hear them. But just like that. So our wheels have been dressed. It's ready to be used to go ahead and give us a nice clean polish whenever we go to do that. Alright, thanks for watching.